Alright, well, I highly recommend you use cement next if you're going to do this. Still got a little wiggle, but that's okay. It's only going to be stationary. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drill some holes right here. Drill two. And I'm going to take the tap, thread the PVC. And now we come over here. We get a screw with a knob. And then, now this will be used to lock it in if I have to, but so this is my camera. I'll take it up. So this is going to go in here. That will hold it as the base, and this is adjustable to go even higher if I need to, because it's all adjustable. So this can just lock in here. And here's another tip: if you're going to do it, make some kind of handle so you can pick it up, because this plastic is going to crack based on how cheap it is. And so if you put like a strap there to pick it up if you had to move it. I'm going to probably put wheels on it because I have to slide it around my workshop to set up the camera shot. So this is basically it. The camera is going to mount to this, which this goes right here, and of course that gets locked in so I can adjust it to any height that I need. So that is the camera setup I'm going to use for filming my projects. So I would say this one is done, and we'll put this in the books.